Hey everybody, I just wanted to make sure that you know where to find your work for this week for science class. This is what your student page should look like or something similar to it. Click on the science section for our class. Remember, this is our Google Meet link and these are our Google Meet times. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see our assignments for this week. I want to point out a couple of things. These are the virtual notes that I was telling you about that you could be taking notes on, and you should be taking notes on for every unit. If you click on it, it'll open up. This was 2.02, the atmosphere. This was last week's notes that you should have taken to help you on your assessment. There were 7 questions. If you did them, you can have them on paper and you can email them to me labeled 2.02, the atmosphere, and I will give you some bonus points back on last week's quiz. This week, the notes are also right here. It's 2.06, advanced heat transfer through Earth. There are a couple of questions. It's like a data table, kind of, you can fill out. If you answer these questions, they should help you with your quiz for this week. If you go back to the original page, it also has our pacing guide right here, virtual pacing guide. If you click on that, it tells you that for this week, what you have to do, this is week 3, it says advanced heat transfer through Earth. They're calling this an advanced lesson, but everybody is going to complete it. It is not, there is no honors for 6th grade or 7th grade science. So everybody will be completing this activity. Scroll down to module 1, which is weather. Last week you were to complete the pre-test, which was not for a grade, and 2.02, the atmosphere. The assignment for this week is 2.06, advanced heat transfer through Earth. If you look at it, it says this is an advanced lesson. If you are not completing the course for advanced honors credit, please proceed to the next lesson. This is not true. Everybody will be completing this lesson, okay? Those notes are also available here. If you click on this little link here that says guided notes, it will also take you to the notes page for this section. You can download them, you can print them, you could create the table yourself and write it on paper. If you go through the rest of these units, I'm not going to go through them all, but if you go through them, there are 6 pages of lessons and activity. When you get to the end, it tells you to use your guided notes to help you prepare for the assessment. Your assessment is going to be on the next screens, 2.06 Advanced Heat Transfer Through Earth Quiz. You're going to go back. Okay, this icon right here is a quiz icon. You're going to click on it. It's going to take you right to the quiz. You're going to start. You'll start your quiz. Don't forget, if you get into the quiz and you don't quite understand something or you have a question, at the bottom of your quiz, right here where it says save and exit, is a location for you to save and exit without having it take up one of your attempts. You can save it, you can exit, you can go right back into the lesson, and you can look for the answers to whatever question that you were stumped on in the quiz. This could be a really good way for you to make sure that you're getting the information that you need for this week. If you have any questions, you can revert back to this video, or you can join our meet on Tuesday or Thursday, and I can help you.